Meet Flexi Pan. Flexi Pan is made of silicone and woven glass. It is best performed on the perforated baking sheet to allow the heat to come through and allow this Flexi Pan to work towards its maximum performance. There's no need for sprays, grease, or oils. Nothing sticks. Everything cooks evenly and browns nicely. Flexi Pan was designed to inspire and enhance creativity in your kitchen. Let me show you the magic of Flexi Pan. This is how you get something out. You put the platter on top that you want to serve it on. You flip the entire thing over and then remove to see the magic. Meet Bond Mat. Bond Mat is our miracle mat for the kitchen. It provides premium quality cooking in your kitchen, whether you're a professional chef or an at-home everyday cook. It's made of silicone and woven glass. You can see the woven glass technology. It's best performed on the perforated baking sheet. It allows the heat to come through evenly and the Bond Mat to work to its maximum performance. This is a cooking system that works together. The perforated baking sheet is our foundation and the Bond Mat goes on top. You don't spray, grease, oil, anything, nothing sticks. Everything cooks evenly and browns nicely. Whether you're doing pizza, cookies, vegetables, anything that goes on a flat baking sheet will have excellent performance on your Bond Mat. Safe to cook up to 480 degrees and also safe in the freezer. Meet Flexi Pan. Flexi Pan comes in either trays or molds. Also made of woven glass and silicone. It's the woven glass that allows everything to cook evenly and brown nicely. It's the silicone that makes it non-stick. No need to spray, grease, oil, anything. Everything cooks evenly, browns nicely, and nothing sticks. Also important to use with your perforated baking sheet as your foundation. This is what's cooking your food, but you need a vehicle to get it in and out of the oven. The perforated baking sheet is the vehicle to get it in and out of the oven. So, foundation, perforated baking sheet, Flexi Pan tray, or Flexi Pan mold. If you need a lid, you can use your Bond Mat as your lid. This is the octagonal Bond Mat that goes on the large round mold. If you need a lid for Flexi Pan trays, I prefer to use my medium Bond Mat as a lid. This is great when freezing or cooking something that needs to be covered in the oven. You may also use Flexi Pan in the microwave. This large round mold and octagonal Bond Mat is one of my favorite pieces to be used safely in the microwave. You would use it in the microwave without the perforated baking sheet. Meet Sill Form. Sill Pan is our flat sill form. Sill form is meant to pull the moisture out and give you a nice crispy layered texture with your doughs. You can see there's also woven glass in here and there's actually holes in here. If I put it under water, you're gonna see the water come straight through. So this is not meant for liquid batters. It is meant to get your dough extra crispy. If you're doing a pizza or maybe a croissant, it's perfect for the bread pastry chefs out there. Meet Flexi Pan. Flexi Pan has the same high standard results as Flexi Pan, but with more durability. It is made of 100% platinum silicone, allowing you great results with recipes that have a large liquid content. You can see its durability is much stronger. You're still gonna get the great non-stick cooking results. Also recommended to be used with our perforated baking sheet. This is our Flexi Pan waffle tray. Fits perfectly on the perforated baking sheet. This is our Flexi Pan square mold. Love the high sides, again, for casseroles and things with a lot of liquid. Meet Roll Pat. Roll Pat, also made of woven glass and silicone, is the perfect countertop mat for your kitchen needs. Great for uses in the kitchen and out of the kitchen, from candy making to arts and crafts. It really is perfect for rolling your pizza doughs, cookie doughs, pie doughs, you name it. Sticks to your counter, so your mess is contained, but yet your dough doesn't stick to it. Also love that when you have dough on it, you can pick it up and move it in and out of the fridge, flip it onto your Bond Mats for pizza doughs and such. Essential kitchen work surface for every home cook.